Hey everyone, I'm David, a beauty director at Sephora.
And it's Jeffrey, beauty director.
How are you guys? It's holidays and we are back with another one.
I know, I feel like it's just right around the corner. I can't wait.
It's this close. It's
I know.
Literally this close to the holidays.
I can't wait. And you know, in my family, a big tradition is that we actually open the stockings the night before. So I thought that it would be nice to give you guys some good stocking stuffer ideas.
Yes. I think that is a classic gift, is everyone's looking for that stocking stuffer, whether it's literally to put in a stocking or if it's for that person that's sort of like just a little something special to give them. You know, maybe it's a babysitter or somebody that you work with.
Yeah, like the office party.
The office
or
party. It's just like a great small gift that has a lot of impact with it.
And definitely a lot of value you'll find too. Like a lot of the ones that we carry at Sephora are small but mighty. Like there's a lot jam-packed into a little bitty space.
All right, so I think it's time for us to pull out our stockings.
We got them here.
Woo! Okay, well, clearly mine had a lot of dessert.
Yes, for
a couple of extra helpings.
Well, I know you've been building your kit out. It's for your kit. You'll see. I think you'll understand once you open it.
Well, let's explain to them. So basically, we filled the stockings for each other. So I don't actually know what's in here, though I'm sure I'll know what these products are.
Yeah, for sure.
I think you might have given me a dictionary or an encyclopedia. I'm not really quite sure what this is.
It's a book to balance on your head for your
Right,
posture.
exactly. Okay, I'm quite curious. Well, I'm going to let you go first and start pulling out.
Okay, so nice. Okay, so from Briogeo, we have the Mystical Minis Revive and Repair Duo. So in here, it looks like we have the deep conditioning mask and the charcoal and coconut oil micro exfoliating shampoo. Now I know you've actually been using the shampoo.
The charcoal scrub.
Yeah.
It's actually really good. I know it's really good for like exfoliating your scalp, which is great for me clearly.
And then you know me, I have really thirsty curls, so this Don't Despair Repair has actually been really great for me. I've been using it for a while.
Yes, and they're great sizes, and this is a great gift for anyone.
Perfect for travel.
I was gonna say, obviously you can break this up. This could be 2 gifts. This could be 1. It's just a fantastic introduction into the Briogeo brand, which is all like that homemade hair care, cooked in the kitchen. Eco-friendly, great ingredients. They've become really classics in the hair care brand. A lot of people are loving the results that they're getting. So I just think it's a great gift.
So cute. Thank you.
All right, I got to pull out my encyclopedia now.
Okay, yes. I think you'll get it once you open it, though.
Okay. All right. All right. So it's the Amika Polished Perfection Mini Straightening Brush. This is cute.
So I know that you've been building out your hair kit.
I know exactly
and you've
where
been
you're
playing
going.
a lot more with hair. And I think that this is really cool because
Not for me. For people I'm working on.
Exactly. Practicing blowouts and stuff like that. Yes. But I think that this is going to be really nice because this I think it's really great to use before a blowout. So kind of to give a soft straightening or before you flat iron your hair, just to give like a smoothing of the hair. But you'll notice that it's a heated brush.
Yes. Well, what I love about this too, and I think it's so smart that you gave this to me and I was actually looking at this, is I clearly am not the best at straightening hair because I don't have to really do it that often for myself. So blowouts are not the easiest thing for me to do. I actually just don't do them. But I'm always looking for like straighteners or things to help me sort of straighten. If I'm working on a model, I need to straighten her hair. This one's really great because it's basically a straightener and like a hot comb almost.
Yeah.
And it just combs it through and it straightens it, and there's no chance of burning yourself, which is something that I'm like, can I burn my hand off? No, great, perfect. It's right for me.
And of course, it comes in this cute little holographic bag, so you know, like me, I'm 110% about anything holographic. So I was just like, it's from me to you.
Yes, no,
it's perfect.
You know what's great about this too is the portability. I'm always looking for things that are small and easy and make a big impact, like you said in the beginning of the video. So a lot of these products are more about being small but powerful, and this is definitely a really good one. A great hair gift. Another great hair gift.
And if you ever get lost on how to use it, you know they're based in Brooklyn, so you can just go see them.
I'm coming over to see you, Amika.
Teach me some tricks.
Exactly.
I love
it.
Okay,
Paul.
my turn.
You're up next.
Kiehl's. Oh my God. Okay, so I've been obsessed with Kiehl's lately.
Mm-hmm.
We actually had
the little training.
Yeah, we had a really great moment with Kiehl's a couple weeks ago in New York, and I got some really in-depth training and really fell in love with the brand.
Yes, you did.
Yes. So from Kiehl since 1851, this is the Body Besties Body Scrub and Body Butter for smoother skin set. Awesome.
Yeah. So it's like you scrub your body and then you hydrate your body.
Cute.
I think that's something that's missing in skincare.
I'm doing it for my hair and I'm doing it for my body. Like,
I'm basically
I love
telling
it.
you a message. No, I'm only kidding.
Jeffrey, you need to exfoliate other places, not just your face.
So that's something that I'm very into right now is like body scrubs and body hydration because it is an area I forget. I focus on my face. Y'all know I love to peel my face off, just melt the skin off my face.
That was your New Year's resolution.
It was my New Year's resolution from last year.
Yeah, I remember.
And I've been pretty good at it. But, you know, I'm always looking for that next product. And I just think I think this is the time of year when you are looking for those things. Like, I don't do this
really
enough.
Dry.
Yeah.
I do really get really dry. Like, in the wintertime, like, it gets super dry in the air, especially here in California. You know, it's a desert.
Even in New York, yeah.
Yeah, totally. So, I like, having something like this is going to be really awesome to add to my routine.
And Kiehl's is great. They have great products. And I love their products, but I know you're obsessed with their products.
Yeah.
that one's really good.
Yeah,
the grapefruit smell, that scrub. It's like a grape. Oh, it's lovely. You guys will love it.
It says it's got aloe vera and chamomile in it, which is really awesome. So it'll be really nice to use like morning or night.
Exactly.
Oh my God, I'm so excited.
Lovely little holiday gift.
And then there's also like a creme de corps in here too, which is, you know, classic Kiehl's product.
As I'm already dipping into
I know.
Like, we're done with yours.
Yeesh. Okay, go ahead.
All right,
go
I'm
ahead.
pulling. Of course. Y'all have heard me talk about Stila Glitter and Glow eyeshadows. This is the 3D Dazzle. I'm obsessed, guys, with the Stila Glitter and Glows.
I think it's like a kitten karma, it looks like.
It looks like one of these is the face highlighter. Oh, no, that's like a...
Oh.
It's Golden Girl, Kitten Karma, and Perlina.
Perlina. Of course you give me Perlina.
Of course I did. I'm obsessed with these. I think anyone who gets this will love you all the more. These are, to me, the most innovative glitter product that has hit in a really long time.
Yeah.
I covet them.
And every time they've been releasing colors like slowly but surely, and every time they launch a new collection, like every shade is so covetable. I mean, they just keep turning it out with these shades.
Come on. Are you kidding me?
Yeah, so beautiful.
Who wouldn't want that? It's like a necklace.
Yeah, this Perlina one is kind of like a iridescent, multi-tonal kind of fairy dust sort of color.
These are really wearable colors. A great stocking stuffer for any beauty lover. I mean,
I want to bathe in this, actually. I want this to be all
really
my whole
good.
skin. Like,
no, I love these. I think that these are a classic for holidays. We want things that are special, unique, fun, sparkly. I think that this solves for all of that. It's something that somebody might not buy for themselves because they might not realize they want it, but it's a great gift to let somebody be like,
that one would be I think that one would be a wow at a holiday party.
Huge
like for
wow.
work or something like that.
Huge wow. Great gift.
Because I could even see my coworkers. Well, of course we work at Sephora, so I could see them just opening it up and tossing it on their eyes like right then and there in the moment.
Come on, look how good that is.
So pretty.
Seriously, great gift. Love you, Steel. Love for creating these.
Awesome.
All right, you're up next.
All right, let's see what's in here. It's round.
I know. You're like, what is
round.
this?
It's like a wiffle ball.
Yes, I gave you a wiffle ball.
Oh my God, cute.
Yeah.
So from Jo Malone London, it's a Christmas ornament.
Jo Malone is a great fragrance brand, one of my favorites. I love their fragrances.
I'm just gonna open this, okay?
Go for it. Yeah, go for it. I mean, that's part of the fun is opening the packaging.
This is crazy.
It's really like no joke.
Like a cube, it's like a solving puzzle.
It's like a puzzle to get it open, which is kind of fantastic. And then inside you've got some really great products.
Beauty.
Yeah.
Wood, sage, and sea salt cologne. So this is a mini, and it's actually a little mini atomizer, which is really, really nice.
Yes.
And then I think it's the matching body, but no, English pear and freesia body cream. Ugh, delicious. So this is like a layering duo.
This is a nice smell. I like Jo Malone a lot.
Oh my gosh, you're just gonna spritz my gift. Do y'all see this? Can I get a witness? Can I get a witness right now? Like,
I gave it to you. I have full access rights to it.
And this? Oh my God,
yeah,
like
it's really
dream.
Nice.
Oh my God, so I can imagine like layering these two would be absolutely stunning.
Jo Malone's fragrances layer really well together. There's a lot of like recognizably natural scents to them. So like when a fragrance says what it is, it really smells like that.
You can smell the pear, but it's not like a saccharine pear.
No.
It's very elegant. You can literally it tastes or it smell. You can almost taste it.
You could almost taste it. Yeah. It's a great gift, and to have it in this really cool packaging, you don't even have to wrap it at this point.
Yeah,
it's
that's
already done for you.
And that's I think a common thing with all of these gifts is a lot of them already come pre-packaged in the most cutest little boxes.
Yeah.
So like it's already like you could literally just gift them straight away.
Yeah.
And this, if you came home and this was hanging on the tree, of course I would open this the night before without anybody knowing.
No, it's super cute.
Try to fold it back.
Which you would.
Oh my God! Yeah, it's like foolproof.
I was gonna say you ain't gonna succeed in folding that back. Look at that. You need a physics degree to fold that back. Well, that was fun.
Yeah, that was a blast. I mean, you hit the nail on the head. I swear. Thank you so much. You know me so well.
I know. We've been working together long enough to know each other.
I know, right? Shh, don't tell anybody.
So hopefully you guys enjoyed this. You found some ideas for friends and family.
Yeah, and if you guys have any fun stocking traditions, like maybe your family decorates them together or you open them together on one night, or I don't know.
Love to hear about that.
Yeah, we would love to hear about that. So drop that in the comment section below. And also, if you have any questions about any of the products that we mentioned, shout that out too, for sure. We're always here for you.
We're always on, answering, laughing. You guys just bring big smiles to our faces all the time. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you guys can see new videos from us every single week. We love to bring it to you guys. And until next time, have a great holidays, and we'll be seeing you guys soon.
Bye.